Today is Monday, June 22nd, and this is your forecast for the central United States. We saw low pressure moving through the middle of the country here on Sunday with some thunderstorms from late yesterday. That is all exiting off to the east, mostly quiet today and tomorrow. Late tomorrow looks like there will be some thunderstorms coming across Minnesota down into Wisconsin. You see it there at the end of the loop, and also some storms down there toward Kansas coming out of Nebraska. But all in all, a lot quieter than it was yesterday. The showers and storms exiting early this morning, so that looks worse than what much of the day will look like. 80 today in Grand Rapids, 74 in Detroit, 73 in looks like in Cincinnati. Now, or Cleveland, I should say. Now, as we move south to Cincinnati, we are expecting a high near 80 with some thunderstorms late this morning, early this afternoon. That line really stretching from Pittsburgh to Cincy to Louisville, and then moving south and east from there as the day goes on. Where the rain arrives later, it'll be up near 90 in Roanoke later on today. So in the Midwest, it was actually cooler for the last several days, but we will get back to near 80 degrees starting tomorrow and continuing through the rest of the week, of course, just until the weekend. Cool down, highs in the 70s. In Chicago, we'll be up near 80 probably by Wednesday, and then hovering around 80 for highs right through the upcoming weekend. So a couple of lines of showers and storms up to the north. There's a boundary here that really will be the divide and the kind of the focal point for the showers and storms, and that boundary is not really moving south very much, so it looks like it will remain dry for much of the southeast down the Florida Peninsula as well as across the state of Texas. So 92 today in Washington, D.C., 91 in Wilmington, 92 for you in Charleston as well as Charlotte, 94 today in Atlanta, Georgia, 88 for Atlanta, 94 in New Orleans, 95 with maybe a thunderstorm in Dallas, and we got some hot weather. With the dry weather comes the heat there down the Florida Peninsula. In Charlotte, expect high temperatures to remain up near 90 for pretty much this entire week, maybe just a smidge cooler into the upper 80s by this weekend. In Fort Lauderdale, a few clouds around this morning. A mainly dry day means that we make it above 90, 95 degrees later on this evening, and without much rain in the forecast this week, we'll be at or above 90 pretty much right through Friday. That is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great start to the week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance